Hi guys, so this week we are talking about zoo animals, and this is Miss Stevie here. So we're about to do our journal, so you can get your stuff ready. If you want to have colored pencils, you can get colored pencils, markers, pens, crayons, pencils, doesn't matter, okay? Alright, so we're going to start by writing our name. I'm going to write my name. You guys write your name. Do not write my name. So this one's going to say Miss Stevie. And try to write it in title case if you can, okay? If you can't, all caps is fine, alright? Okay, so the next thing we are writing is the date. Today is Monday, April 20th. April is the number 4. And 20 makes up two numbers, a 2 and a 0. So I'm going to do a dash, beep, and then a 2 and a 0. And then our year is 2020. But to write that short ways, we're just going to write the number 20. So we have two 20s. So it says 4 beep, 2 0 beep, 2 0. Okay? Alright, now we're going to start our picture. And this is going to be a zoo animal. So there's your first hint. Okay? So first, we're going to draw a circle. Okay? So once we have our circle drawn, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do like a half circle. So I'm going to go beep. Right there. Okay? Now close to the circle, I'm going to draw kind of like a circle. It comes into a little bit of a point at the top. It can be rounded off. It's okay. It was just because I messed up there for a second. Alright. Now I'm going to connect this up here with like a long rectangle. Some of you already might know what this is. You might. Whoops. The wind's blowing. Alright. So our next step that we're going to do is we're going to make two, they look like rectangles, but they don't close the top. So you're going to leave this part open. Okay? Alright, at the bottom here, we're going to draw, it looks like triangles. Triangles right there, and just two. Okay? And then, after that, we are going to draw two more rectangles. I'm going to do a long rectangle over here. Really long. And a long rectangle over here. And a long rectangle on this side. And a long rectangle on this side. Okay, and then I'm going to draw two triangles. And going sideways there. And you guys probably still don't know what it is. At the top here, this zoo animal has two ears. So we're going to draw one here, boop, and one here, boop. Your guys might not look like mine. That's okay. It's probably better than mine. Okay, so here's two ears. And then at the top, we're going to draw two little rectangles. If I'm going too fast, I'm very sorry. You guys can pause and catch up, and then you can replay again. Okay? And then I'm going to draw two circles on top of the rectangles. This zoo animal does have a tail. It's kind of a little tail. We're just going to go this way. And then it has a little bit of fur at the end of the tail. That doesn't look like much of a tail. We'll see. Okay. So some of you might want to color it, and that's fine. Just have your color pencils ready. The two colors you will need are yellow and brown. So we're gonna draw, next we're gonna draw two circles. Here's one circle, and here's two circles. And then he's got nostrils. Nostrils are the circles in your nose. They help you breathe. So there's his nose, and then I'm just gonna do a little smile. You can finish these eyes here if you want. Okay, and now next, so this animal kind of has weird spots. So they're not even, they're not perfect polka dots. They're just weird spots, kind of like a cow. Kind of like a cow. So I'm gonna draw spots. Now the spots on this animal are brown, and then the other, like the space outside, are going to be yellow, okay? So that's brown spots, and then on the inside of the spots, it's yellow. So here's more spots. Got some spots on the legs. And we have more spots. Those aren't, they're not really big spots. Okay, does anybody know what animal this is? It is a giraffe. Now giraffe, the letter G, has two sounds. It has a G, G, like goat, and it has a J, J, like giraffe. All right, so I'm gonna write a capital G and a lowercase g. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to draw my line to make my sentence. And I'm going to write I. That's not very good. We always start our letters at the top. And there's a space. C. A. Giraffe. G. I. R. A. F. F. E. And we always end with a period. So this is your journal. We miss you guys, and we hope to see you soon.